Yeah, well, today we heard from Alexander Batista Polanco, the fourth person involved in that car theft crew, who testified today on behalf of the prosecutors. He walked us through what happened on that fateful night 2 years ago after receiving a plea deal last week. Day 3 in court, jurors learned more about what happened on October 12th of 2023 when the life of Sergeant Richard Mendez was cut short while attempting to stop a car theft at the airport parking garage, the courtroom filled with family of the officer and his colleagues.
These men and women give their lives, and I constantly remind the community that we serve that these men get up each and every day and do not know if they're going to go home.
Yobrani Martinez Fernandez and Hendrik Pena Fernandez are charged with murdering Mendez and shooting and injuring his partner Raul Ortiz. Jesus Madeira Duran was killed in the gunfire. The fourth man who says he was part of that crew, Alexander Bautista Polanco, taking the stand today alongside a translator. He pleaded guilty on several charges and made a deal with prosecutors, saying that night the goal was to find and steal Jeeps and Durangos for money. They all wore masks and gloves to avoid leaving a DNA trail. Through his translator, he said they spotted a Jeep Yo-Yo Yobrani, got out of the car and broke the window of the car, saying he remembers Sergeant Mendez then approaching them and asking the men, "Is that your car?" right before the chaos began, implicating the two men facing charges at the scenes of the crimes. Alexander claims Yo-Yo was carrying two guns. Yobrani Martinez Fernandez believed to have pulled the trigger that killed Sergeant Mendez. The defense arguing that Polanco would say anything to get a reasonable sentence, saying, "You'll say what you need to say to get favorable treatment from Judge O'Keefe, am I correct?" Which Polanco answered no. Now this trial will continue on Monday. I heard that's when they'll heavily focus on forensics. They're hoping to wrap this trial up by next week. Here in Center City, Yukare, Nakayama, NBC 10 News.